नागा मिस खोबर इंडिया लगा जानिया मनिया एक्ट्रेस अरु एक्टिविस्ट राजश्री देशपांडे पारा नागालैंड ते फूल लगा खेती तू भाल अरु फईदा होबो ले जरूरी जोनाई शे अरु टाई है आश्वासन दी शे की टाई भी कोशिश कुरी केना टाई लगा निजोड़ जगह महाराष्ट्र अरु दूसरा प्रदेश ते भी नागालैंड लगा सूंद फूल टू प्रमोट कुरी बो टाई टू 7 दिसंबर 2024 ते नागालैंड फ्लावर ग्रोअर्स सोसाइटी NFGS लगा मेंबर्स खान अरुटाई खान लगा प्रेसिडेंट सुंगतिनारो जमीर लोगो दे मिनी फ्लावर मार्केट विजिट कुरिया के नाकोठा कुआ होम मोई एटू कोई शे NFGS खान पारा मिनी फ्लावर मार्केट टू PWD ट्रैफिक पॉइंट कोहिमा ते चली थागा 25th हॉर्नबिल फेस्टिवल नाम ते राखी आशे देशपांडे पारा नागालैंड फ्लावर ग्रोअर्स खान लगा काम ऊपर एकदम खुशी जोनाई शे अरुटाई खान के ब्यूटीफुल मैजिशियंस माने सुंदर जादूगर खान आशे कोई शे की ले माने टाई खान पारा एकदम भाल अरु प्रेशस फूल खान पाली थाके एटू मार्केट टू 2 दिसंबर ते शुरू होइस है अरु 10 दिसंबर तक था की बो कोई शे खोबर कॉर्नर है एटू एनी शे अरु अपनी खान के अमी खान लगा चैनल टू सब्सक्राइब लाइक अरु शेयर कुरी केना होदाई जानी केना था की बोले अनुरोध कुरी आशे
Now, the English news. Renowned Indian actress and activist Rajashri Deshpande while emphasizing the importance of sustainable flower farming in Nagaland, assured to make efforts towards promoting the state's flowers back home in Maharashtra and other states. She said this while interacting with the Nagaland Flower Growers Society, NFGS members led by its president Sungatinaro Jameer during her visit at the mini flower market on 7th December 2024. The flower market is organized by the NFGS at PWD Traffic Point, Kohima in commemoration of the 25th Hornbill Festival of Nagaland. Deshpande lauded the efforts of the local women farmers, describing them as beautiful magicians for their dedication to cultivating rare and precious flowers. It started on 2nd December and will continue till the 10th. Khobar Corner brings the highlights with a request to kindly like, subscribe and share our channel to always remain informed.
We do have other things like the place where vegetables a lot, then lentils are there, then we have wheat flour and all. So, but the belt where I'm working is in sugar So cotton, because it's a drought area, so and because it's a heavy sunny area, we have cotton and sugar cotton. So yeah, it's really rare to see flowers over there. But though there are many other areas in Maharashtra where we have like good flower farming.
I'm sure some companies must be going.
Yeah. Yeah. But I think how do you arrange them? Color combination and everything.
Yeah, actually, most of them are very now it's staying fresh for about nearly 6 days. 7 days, yes. Pumpkin, good oil. And this is wine.
Like wish I can just take all of them home.
Please.
Yeah.
This is an ornamental cabbage.
Okay. So what?
It's small scale farmers only. They have small limited spaces and all in urban areas only. So we are also looking for market in Mumbai, maybe some connection. Sometimes for dried flowers.
Dried flowers. You get a market.
Yeah.
For fresh flowers, like free charges.
Yeah. Okay. No, I think Maharashtra is a huge Do you all participate in those environmental this thing, which happens in Ahmedabad and in Bombay and all? I'll let Nancy know about these fairs. So you should participate because then there you will get more sales agent. You should just participate in those exhibitions where you can connect because there are a lot of sales agents usually.
Yeah.
Rest of things. But you just like come for chill, the fair, that kind of thing. So I'll let Nancy know all those because there are many. It happens in Ahmedabad, it happens in Pune, I was in Ladakh. So Ladakh do have a lot of market. So we had done a tie-up with a company called Aroma Magic. Yeah.
Aroma Magic.
Aroma Magic. I'll let Nancy know about this. So Aroma Magic is a company where they make products with their
Okay.
yeah, it's a very big company in Delhi. So those kind of things I think you should target.
We are also
Actually,
interested in
nothing wasted.
Mumbai also because
Yeah, because I'll tell you, in one of my village, I was planning a plant of this company where what they do, they give you a machine and whatever because see, when the flower gets crumbled and everything, then you can like recycle the whole plants. Yeah, so they
essence or
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The smaller bottles. So those things because you have a farming base. Like a person like Nancy, just leading the flag. So I think the world is really big and n number of possibilities.
This William, actually the bulbs are imported from Netherlands.
The best part is the creativity each is so unique and different and gives so much life. So do you have do you have anything else apart from flowers?
we have the farmers group also. This time they are participating in Hornbill. Will be when you go to the agri stall. So most of the flower growers are also small scale farmers again.
Yeah, we grow a
Yeah.
lot of vegetables also. Because we don't have a big market for here.
So flower being seasonal, other than the grow vegetables and part of the bigger group.
Yeah,
The market happens, and people like what I'm saying, like Aroma Magic company, the big company in from Delhi, and they make all these products like your hand creams, face creams, your shampoos and soap and everything, and they make everything with wasted products, so to recycle everything. So that's how you should find these. It's a great market, but you can't do deliveries because it's expensive delivery. How can I manage? Because when we all so it's not a long like if it's available next to our house, I have everything. So you need to understand how you can create the but is it logistically possible? And then upon that my house is a mini this thing. Yeah. Yeah.
Those machines are very expensive.
Yeah.
No, you should. First, we have to go and see how the
Yeah.
If we-
So now the company I'm talking about, they are in Delhi. And I did from Delhi forward.
It would be good to come up with the soap made by Nahal flowers.
To have people together.
True.
There are so many because I worked in Rajasthan, I worked of course in Maharashtra, which is my base. Other states I have seen that it's so difficult to get people together. To have people who are mentoring you or holding your hand. You have like a person like Nancy, who's just there and coming together and thinking about your own area, the tribe, everything. this, we absolutely have no water. So I work on groundwater, and Farming Village is like education space. So education, healthcare, and water is my main base. Because if you stand up for independent and I think it's like telling my boundaries, my safety. Hi. Today I feel so honored to be here. Nagaland Flower Growers Association, this beautiful magician over here, and you must be seeing the amazing beautiful flowers behind. They are the ones. They are the ones who has actually done it. It's so beautiful and so rare and so precious. I feel that they are doing the most important part of our life. They're bringing the heaven on earth. They're giving us a foundation where we all should grow actually. This is the foundation the younger generation require. Flowers. The earth has to have, this greenery. The earth has to have those flowers to, flourish our world. So they are doing the important work, and I feel that it's important for all of us to support, to motivate and to empower many women like this. I'm so glad that this whole group over here is working so hard to maintain and to keep their tradition alive. It's just amazing. I think our ecosystem, the world where we all are going, I think we need to really understand and how important this mission is. So I'm really glad and happy that Nagaland is really ahead of all these things. As I come from Maharashtra, and I work in Marathwada villages where it's drought, where we don't get to see flowers because we don't have water, we don't have, we've not maintained it. It's unfortunate that we've not maintained it. And the first thing when I reached here, I asked them that all are farmers. The best part is they all are working together to, keep this thing alive. Otherwise, if you will see that most of the tier 2, tier 3 cities and most of the people are going to the bigger cities and working there. They are maintaining, they are living here, and they are making sure that we all see this. So I think I really want to applaud all the women, their hard work, their perseverance. Is what is driving me really in a very beautiful way. So thank you so much for making me here. And as we were just discussing that we need good, beautiful and sustainable bridges. So I really request the world, whoever is watching us, that please, this is amazing, but we need to have a market for that. We can't just grow it here and keep it there. We have to have a great market because the market is there. The metro cities we all require. I live in Mumbai, and I definitely would like to have this every day in my house because these are flowers is what they are. Of course, keeping our world sane, but keeping our mind sane, happy. And we need them. So I think those bridges has to be built where the market is developed and people are getting more and more such things like they should find out that how they can get it. So it's my request that if we can find a great market, if there are festivals, if there are these market strategies, if they can come on board and really help this Nagaland Flower group, because they are doing God's work, I think is the most important part. So I'm always there, as I said, but whoever is listening to us, who is following this, and wherever you are in the world, you can be part of it. So yeah, please do that. And thank you so much for the love, Nagaland. It's amazing to be here and meeting these people, and the heart is so beautiful that I don't know when I go back to Mumbai, I don't know how my how I'm going to I won't be able to forget these faces. So thank you. One picture. Sorry.
Alright, so first with the phone. 1, 2, 3. Take one more. Take one like
Okay, wait.
this.
1 second.
Everyone?
1, 2, 3.
Alright, do it one more
Okay,
time.
say again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, now with the
Cheese.
Thank you again.
See, this is the most important. This is the most important is coming together, laughing with each other, sharing your life, because lot of times we forget like this community which you have built together. It's very special. It's very important because it's a lot of times we women are alone. When if you have kids or if you don't have kids, if you have family, everyone goes to their own work, school, college. Everyone will leave. What we have each other, and we have to have each other, right? If we don't hold hands, there won't be anyone. Your own people, they have their own work and all. They will have their spaces. Kids will go for their college and all. You come. Oh. No, but I'll tell you what.
Yeah.
It's very true. It's very important that you all hold each other's hands and stay together. That's what the growing. This community you're growing. It's not just for the that finance or this that. To be happy with each other. Of course, the money will come. You can buy things. Everything will be there. But at least when you all are working together, you all are so happy. You're creating something. You are helping someone. You are chit-chatting. You are, sharing your life. You're sharing your sorrows. You're sharing your problems.
True.
Right? Who will be there? It's just us. Anyways, as a woman, there are tons of other issues we have to face. Right? So, who will understand us more than a woman? So, hold each other close always. Because they are the ones who's going to be there for you.
Greatly